In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Xero Projects step by step. If you want a better way to manage your projects, track time, control expenses, and stay organized, this feature can make a big difference in how you run your business. Let's get into it. First, log into your Xero account and look at the top navigation bar on your dashboard. From there, click on the Business menu, then select Projects. This will take you into the Projects workspace, which is where you'll manage everything related to your ongoing and upcoming projects. Once you're inside, you'll see a section called All Projects. This page gives you a complete overview of every project you've created. You can see details like project status, budgets, and progress all in one place. If you already have projects set up, you can scroll through the list and click on any project to open it. Now, if you want to create a new project, go to the top right corner and click on New Project. A setup window will appear where you'll need to enter important details. Start with the project name, then select the customer associated with the project. You can also add a description to clarify what the project is about. You'll also have the option to set an estimated cost or budget. This is useful for tracking how much you expect to spend versus what you actually spend as the project progresses. Once everything is filled in, go ahead and create the project. After creating your project, click on it to open the detailed view. This is where you'll manage all activities related to that specific project. One of the most useful features here is time tracking. You can log the hours you or your team spend working on the project. This is especially important if you bill clients based on time. In addition to time tracking, you can also add expenses. For example, if you have bills or purchases related to the project, you can assign them directly to it. This keeps all your costs organized and makes it easier to understand the true profitability of the project. As you continue working, make sure to update your project regularly. Add new time entries, include expenses, and review your budget. This helps you stay on track and avoid overspending. Also, take advantage of the reporting within projects. You can quickly see whether a project is profitable or if adjustments are needed. This kind of visibility is extremely valuable for making better business decisions. Overall, Xero Projects brings everything into one place. Instead of juggling multiple tools, you can manage tasks, finances, and billing all within a single system. And that's how you get started with Xero Projects. Once you begin using it consistently, you'll find it much easier to manage your work, track costs, and stay organized. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to use Xero Projects with confidence.